Hi Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. So I'm home again in Jamaica, and yesterday you know, Dennis, my husband, he said to me, he said, Lorna, you know, my bones, my hands, it doesn't feel good. How were you feeling again, sweetie?
Painful.
Painful, and he was weak and he was tired. So I said to him, because you need more rest, you're not going to bed at nights and you're not, you know, being temperate where your rest is concerned. So because today is Sabbath, you know, everything, the body just wants to relax and rest. And he had breakfast and he went into the washroom. As soon as he came back out the washroom, he said, you know, sweetie, it's not rest, it's sickness. I said, what do you mean? He said, I'm getting sick, I'm feeling sick. And by the time I feel him, he was boiling up with fever, just like that. And so I was like, oh my word. So immediately I rushed in and I started to give him the oil of oregano, and I gave him a steam bath with what did I give you, sweetie?
Peppermint and
the peppermint and the eucalyptus oil. I put them in the hot water and put the towel over his head, and then he threw up. He threw up and, you know, get to clear off the things that was on his chest, in his stomach, that wasn't digested. And, you know, he started to boil up, rub him down with some alcohol. Not alcohol, just rub him down with the same cloth that the same potion that I used to do the steam bath. I put a rag in it and use that now to wipe him down. After that, now I said I need to make some Flue Soup. And so I came out in the kitchen and I put together a Flue Soup. And I want to share it with you, and so that in any case, Simple Life, make sure you always have, I write down what I have in the pot of soup. I have thyme, turmeric, onion, bay leaf, pimento leaf, ginger, and garlic. I put about 2 heads of garlic, not clove, 2 heads. I put about 6 or 7 onion. You would think I am making onion soup. The ginger wasn't plentiful, so I put what I had. The turmeric I grated about a handful of turmeric, so it was a lot of turmeric. What else? Cayenne pepper, I didn't write that. I put 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. And the salt I didn't put. I said he could like put the salt to taste. Oh yes, and I put sweet potatoes because I know he's gonna need a little something to take the edge off all of the herbs. And also because he's not eating, the sweet potato will give the soup a little body. So that is it. I will write in the description the ingredients that I use. And then I went in again and I gave him a wipe down, and then between that I gave him lemon water. Lemon water is important. We cannot be out of these ingredients and lemon. And so, ready now, sweetie? Yes. Let me show you this here pot. This here Simple Life. This is it. It has the turmeric, the onion, the bay leaf, the pimento leaf, ginger, garlic, sweet potato, and the thyme. And this is a pot of healthiness. So what I did last night, now I strain it off so that he can get the broth, because you don't want to put any food down into the system. And Simple Life, sorry about that. When you are sick or when you're not feeling well, it is not the time to put food into the body. It is time to allow the body to rest, so that instead of the body trying to digest, I can turn this off. Instead of the body trying to digest the foods that you're putting in it, the body will take that time now to go straight to healing. And you know, this disease is a good thing. It's a good thing, Simple Life, because this disease is like telling you that the body is at dis-ease. And when the disease comes, it's actually fighting away the problem. Because if the disease didn't come, you wouldn't know there was a problem, right? So God is so good. God is so great. God is so mighty that God put our body together in such an awesome way that it even tells us when something is wrong. And it goes to work immediately. Once you start to apply the natural remedies and start to apply the 8 laws of health, in no time, Dennis is standing here. My husband is standing here right now, videoing me, and this is the next day. Everything, I'm telling you, when you're making these soups, you're not going for that Maggi chicken noodle flavor. You know, you don't want those things. You want just the real earthly goodness, herbs to just go into your system. It's just amazing, I'm telling you. Because even when he said to me, Lauren, I'm not feeling well, and I jumped in with all that I know, he was like, why did I tell you? Why did I tell you? But I'm like, but sweetie, we got to hit it fast. Hit it and hit it fast. And so that is what I did. And now today all he's gonna have is the lemon water or lime water, if that's what you have, and the Flue broth. So that's it. I had to come and share it with you, Simple Life. So give it a try. I gave you the cold flu and cough remedy. I have that recipe there on my channel. And now I have this soup. This soup is such a blessing. Everything that is in it is for healing. There's one thing I just remember I didn't mention. Rosemary. I even put rosemary in it. It's like all the herbs, all those things you can think of, they're in it. So all you have to do, if you're into salt, just put accordingly. And I left that part to my husband. So Simple Life, that is it for now. And we don't like the Irish potato so much, so I put the sweet potato. And you can see it's full of herbs and the sweet potato. So I'm just going to strain it now, and then he will have another bowl, and just leave the rest of the healing to God. So Simple Life, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing the video, and thank you for subscribing. And if there's a video that you want me to make, please leave it in the comment section. Help me to help you so that we can stay together. All right, thank you very much, and God bless.
Amen.